Okay, time for another update video. I have the device right here. It's in the prototyping mode, so you can see the main board sitting right here. It is connected to pogo pins on the programming board, which is the black one underneath. That's where the micro USB port is. And over these 4 wires and those 2 green ones, this little board is talking to the motor. And that means both the motor itself, so actually the motor, those are the green wires, and the sensors inside the motor, which are the encoder and the thermometer, and those are connected to the main board over an I2C port, which is these 4 cables, 4 wires. Over here I have the power supply set to 5 volts, so that's what's driving the motor and the unit. Right now VUSB is not enabled through these jumpers right here. You can see that the one on the right is disconnected. That is VUSB. So right now everything's powered off of the power supply. Ideally this can be some kind of battery, but for now it's the power supply. So I'm going to do a very simple test. Right now I've worked out a whole bunch of kinks. There's been a lot of dumb stuff like deadband in the encoder, difficulty in getting accurate velocity readings from the encoder as a result, different duty cycle errors when trying to drive the motor, but most of that is fixed right now. So I'm going to do a quick upload real quick. Oh, yeah, really quick. So it starts turning during upload because that's when basically all the I/O pins on the microcontroller are floating. I need to actually fix this in the next revision. I completely forgot about this issue when designing the board. Okay, come on. Is it uploading? I've also been having this weird issue with slow uploads. I just did a reset. There we go. Okay. I've been having this issue with slow uploads recently. This was really prominent on the first board that I made. Like, it would take forever to upload, and uploads would fail very often. But then I made another board, which is this one, and it was working great until about last week, and then stuff started slowing down. I don't know why. Okay, anyway. This test right here is really easy. All it does is run the motor as fast as possible in order to determine the maximum speed of the motor, and then it starts ramping down the speed in order to see what the slowest speed of the motor is. And although you won't be able to see it, it uses that to figure out what the lowest possible duty cycle is in order to get some significant motion. And then after that, it's going to go all the way back to the beginning to, I think, 15 degrees is what I set it to right now. So I'm going to open the serial port and it's going to start. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 revolutions, and now it's going all the way back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 revolutions. There you go. And it's at 15.2 degrees right now. I think my demand position is 15 degrees. I just have I allow for a 0.3 degree tolerance. So that's correct. So really simple. I'm about to start position and velocity control modes. I actually have all the code written up. I just haven't tested it yet. So it probably doesn't work yet. But hopefully sometime soon that'll all be working.